क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 क्या कह रहा है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 is saying that find the sum of 22 terms of the given AP. Okay, we need to find S22 is equals to what? If we are given A22 is equals to 149, okay, and D is equals to 9, okay, and D is equals to 9 in the D is equals to 7, huh? Not 9. Here it is given 7. So हम लोग को क्या करना है? इनके sum of 22 terms find करना है. We need to find sum of 22 terms. Okay. Now using the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So here an is given 149. Okay, this will become a plus n means 22 minus 1 into d means 7. So you may write it 149 is equals to a plus 21 into 7. Okay, and it may be a plus 147 d 147. Okay, so from here you can conclude a is equals to 2. Okay, a is equals to 2 as per question. Okay, now we need to find sum of 22 terms of the given AP. So you can use the formula as 22 is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus, directly use a plus l, because we are given the last term. So a plus l. So you need to write here as 22 is equals to 22 upon 2 into a is we have obtained 2 and l is here 149. Okay, so it will become 11. So 11 into 151. So it will become 1, 555 1, 56 and 11 1 ja 11 6. Okay, so it will become like this. So sum of first 22 terms of the given BP will be 1661. Is that clear? Yes. Now moving toward the next question. Question number 8 says that find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. आप इनको नोट कर लीजिए. You can note it. Whose second term and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So we need to find. This will be the solution number 8. Okay, exercise 5.3, solution number 8. So here you are given the third term, that is a3 and a2. Okay, so a2 is equals to you are given 14, a3 is equals to you are given 18. So from here you can write a plus d, and here you can write a plus 2d. Okay, let it be equation number first and it be equation number second. So subtracting equation first from second, we get it will become 18 is equals to a plus 2d, and it will become 14 is equals to a plus d. So if you will subtract it, it will become minus minus, it will be cancelled. So 4 is equals to d. Okay, so we have obtained d is equals to 4. Now we need to find the sum of first 51 terms. Okay, so one more thing you can find here using d. You can find a. ठीक है, आपको a भी मिल जाएगा यहाँ से, तो आप लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे putting value of d, putting value of d in equation number first. Okay, it will become 14 is equals to a plus 4 na, because d is 4 here. So it will become what? A is equals to 10. Okay, a is equals to 10. Now using the formula of nth term of the given series, an is equals to a plus we are given 51 term, no need to find the nth term. Directly use the formula SN is equals to A plus n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. ओके मैं इसको इरेज कर दूँ, स्पेस नहीं वहाँ पर. ओके, लेट मी इरेज दैट. देखो यहाँ पर आप यूजिंग द फार्मूला एस एन इक्वल्स टू एन बाई 2 इंटू 2a प्लस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी. इट विल बिकम एस 51 इक्वल्स टू 51 बाई 2 इंटू 2a मीन्स 20 प्लस एन माइनस 1 मीन्स 50 इंटू डी मीन्स वाट 2. we have obtained 4. Okay, so it may be written as 51 by 2 into 220 directly, because 54 is 200 and 20. Okay, so it will become 11. Okay, now 11 1 ja 1, 11 5 ja 55, 156. So it will become this. So we have obtained the sum of first 51 terms of the given AP. Is that clear? Okay. Now moving towards the next question. Question number 9. Okay, question number 9 says that if the sum of first, इसको आप नोट करते रहिए, मैं यहाँ पे बताऊंगा इस साइड पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Okay, so if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49. Okay, so S7 you are given, S7 is equals to 100 and only 49. Is that clear? And that of S17, S17 is equals to 289. Okay, now we need to find the sum of first n terms. Okay, so you may write here, see here, S7 means S7 is equals to, it will become 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. Is that clear? So it will become what? 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d. Okay, or you may write it as 7 into a plus 3d. Okay, and you are given it 49. Sum of 7 terms is 49. By cancelling it, it will become 7 is equals to a plus 3d. ओके, देखिए हमको क्या दिया हुआ था क्वेश्चन में, S7 मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ S फर्स्ट सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 7 टर्म इज 49. सो वी हैव यूज द फॉर्मूला SN इज इक्वल्स टू n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so we have substituted here value of S7 that is given in the question. So in this way we have obtained a plus 3d is equals to 7. Let it be question number first. Okay, now proceeding again using S17, S17 will become 17 by 2 into 2a plus, directly we can write 17 minus 1 is equals to 16d. Okay, it will become 16d, and you are given 17 as 17 is equals to 289. So you may write it 17 by 2 into, remove 2, taking 2 common from it, it will become 17 into a plus 8d. Okay, a plus 8d, and this will be cancelled, it will become 17. So it will give you a plus 8d. So we have obtained another equation, equation number second, let it be. Okay, equation first and equation number second. Now proceeding forward, subtracting equation first from equation second, we may write it as, okay, have you done it? Okay, good work. So you may write it as subtracting equation number first from second, you may write a plus 8d is equals to what? 17 and a plus 3d is equals to what? You are given here 7. Okay, so when you will subtract it, it will become cancelled, and it will be 3d is equals to 5d is equals to 10. ओके इनको हमने सॉल्व कर लिया तो हमें कितना मिल गया 5d is equals to 10. So it will give you d is equals to 2. Okay, d is equals to 2. Now putting the value of d is equals to 2 in equation number first. Again putting value of d is equals to 2 in equation number first, we get a plus 3d is equals to what? It was 7. Okay, it was 7 now. So it will give you a plus 2 3 is 6 is equals to 7. So it will give you a is equals to 1. Okay, a is equals to 1. So the question was saying, if the first sum of first 7 term, find the sum of n term. So we have obtained a and d. Okay, now we have to find the sum of n terms of the given series. So using the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, it will become like this. ठीक है, चलिए देखिए यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा. You know Sn is equals to what? n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Putting the value of n a and d, it will become Sn is equals to what? n by 2 into 2a means 2 1 are 2 plus n minus 1 is unknown and d is here, d is 2. So solving it you may get n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. Okay, and it will be cancelled. So it will be n by 2 into 2n and this will give you n square. Okay, so we have obtained sum of first n terms of the given series will be n square. क्लियर है. एक बार मैं आपको फिर से समझा दूँ. आपको दिया हुआ था यू आर गिवन यस 7 इक्वल्स टू 49 मीन्स सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 7 टर्म ऑफ द गिवन सीरीज वाज 49 and sum of first 17 term of given series was 289. So using the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, we have substituted means n is equals to 7 because it is the sum of first 7 terms. So it will become like this 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d, and here sum of first 7 terms is 49. So we have solved and obtained the equation like this 7 plus a plus 7 is equals to a plus 3d. Okay, again using S17 means sum of first 17 terms of the given series. So we have obtained like this a plus 8d is equals to 17. Okay, now we have used the equation first and equation second to get d. So we have subtracted equation number first from second. So we have obtained the value of d 2. Okay, now using the value of d in equation number first, that was a plus 3d is equals to 7. So we have obtained a is equals to 1. Okay, now we have the value of a and d. So we need to find the sum of first n terms. So using the formula of n terms or sum of n term of the series Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, we have obtained like this. Okay, putting a is equals to 2 and n is equals to, d is equals to 2, putting a is equals to 1 and d is equals to 2. So we have solved the equation and we have obtained Sn is equals to n square. Is that clear? That was the required solution of the question. Okay, हो जाएगा सबका. बहुत अच्छे. Moving toward the next question. Question number 10th of the given exercise. So that a1 a2 a dot dot an form an AP where an is defined below. ये नोट कर लीजिएगा सभी. ठीक है, इनको नोट कर लीजिए. Yes. Question number 10 says that so that a1 a2 and a dot dot an form an AP where an is defined below. An is equals to 3 plus 4n. Okay, then you have to find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. There are two parts of question number 10th. So let's have a look over here. Should I erase it? Okay, so see here. Yes, you are given question number 10 and part number first. An is equals to 3 plus 4n. Okay, consider taking n is equals to 1, 2 and 3 so on. So a1 will become 3 plus 4, it will give you 7. a2 will become what? 3 plus 4 to the 8, so it will give you 11. So 8 3 is equals to what? 3 plus 4 3 is 12 and it will become 15. Okay, now you can obtain a3 minus a2 is equals to a2 minus a1 and it is equal to d. So here it will become what? 15 minus 11 is equals to 11 minus 7 and it is equals to 4. So we have obtained here d is equals to 4. This implies d is equals to 4. So if there is the common difference, okay, if it is there is equal difference between two consecutive terms, then of course it is an AP. Okay, so we need to find now sum of 15 terms. Okay, so we have to find yes 15 is equals to what? Okay, so using the formula SN is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, it will become, we have to find a also ना, हमें a भी find करना होगा. Okay, so let it be erased first here. Let me make the space. See, we know a1 is equals to what? A plus a, and a2 is equals to what? A plus d. Okay, so here a1 is 7. So from here we can write here 7. So now you can proceed here. Yes, 15 is equals to what? 15 by 2 into 2a means 7 to the 14 plus n minus 1 means 15 minus 1 it will become equal to 14 and d is you have obtained here 4. Okay, now you can solve here. Yes, 15 is equals to 15 by 2 into 14 plus 7 56, 14 plus 56. Okay, and it will become 15 into 70 by 2 is equals to 35. So multiplying it we may get here 5 17 5 15 5 is 75 and 15 is 30 and 15 3 is 45 and 7 it will become 552. Okay, because 45 and 7 will give you 52. So yes, 15 is equals to this. देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्या क्या आपसे बोला गया था. You need to check first of all a1, a2, a3 so on is an AP or not. So we have put the value a1, a2, a3. So we have obtained the first, second and third term of the given series. Then we have obtained a common difference, that is d equal in all the cases. Okay, so this is an AP. So using the formula SN is equals to this, we have obtained the sum of first 15 terms. Okay, now moving toward the next question. Second part of this question, when an is defined as n minus 5n, 9 minus 5n. ओके, देखिए यहाँ पर आपको दिया हुआ है सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ सोल्यूशन नंबर 10. इफ an इज डिफाइंड एज 9 माइनस 5n. ओके, so again using the same concept you can write a1 is equals to what? 9 minus 5, it will be equal to 4. a2 is equals to what? 9 minus 10, it will be equal to minus 1. Okay, a3, this is equal to what? 9 minus 5 3 is 15, it will become minus 6. Okay, again, so you can find the difference. a3 minus a2 is equals to a2 minus a1 or is true or not for d. Okay, so putting the value a3 is minus 6 and a2 is minus 1, so it will become minus minus become plus. So it will become what? Here a2 a2 is minus 1 and it is minus 4. So this is minus 5. In the both cases we have obtained minus 5. So common difference is same. Okay. Now using the formula SN is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. It will become what? Yes, 15 is equals to 15 by 2 into 2a means 2 4 ja 8 plus 14d. 14 into what? D is minus 5. Okay. D is minus 5. So it will become 15 by 2 into 70 minus, okay, 8 minus 70, and it will become what? 62. 15 into minus 62 by 2, it will become 31. So you may write here 15 1 ja 15, 3 ja 45 and 1 46. Minus 465 will be the required answer. Okay, so we have done the question number 10th of the exercise 5.3. Okay. So I hope you all have enjoyed how to solve the questions. So in the next video I will give you the solution of the remaining question. So please subscribe, like and share the channel more, and continue to watch for the more solutions of mathematics arithmetic progression in the next video. Okay, in the next part I will give you the solution of remaining question. Thank you.